what I'm gonna do is I'm here, I'm gonna go down the Chesley Hill Trail and then go left on the Furnace Trail, take this around back this way, or maybe I'll go the Great Oak Trail out. I'm not sure yet, but go down this way, left, and then either go this way or that way. So see how it goes. Just got to keep my eyes peeled. So it's 0.3 miles to the Furnace Trail on the left. Chestnut Hill Trail, it's left to the Furnace Trail is the idea. At least it's downhill. Slipped in. Went up this, haven't went down it yet. When you ride rigid, you still got to take it kind of slow because your body absorbs more of the shock, or absorbs all the shock. The tires absorb a few, but I didn't miss it. So I'm looking for that Furnace Trail access. Find it. It's gotta be this one. Hill Camp Road. It doesn't say Furnace, that's not purple. It's right near French Creek, and French Creek is pretty rough too. It's going to be an interesting 10K run next month. Looking forward to it. You trail running, you got to take smaller strides and be more alert. It's more mental than pavement running. Not as stressful on the joints. Definitely more of a mental sport than straight up trail running. Or trail running is more of a mental sport than straight up pavement running. All right, this has got to be Furnace. Blue Trail. Blue Trail. I feel like going downhill, so I'm gonna go this way. This has to be the Furnace Trail. Taking the easy way, going downhill. Can always loop around. Yeah, definitely got too much tire pressure in. Feeling everything. You'll excuse all of my grunts. Man, this is rocky here. Hopefully the camera does it justice. This is a pretty gnarly trail. This one, yeah. Oh, on a bike. Oh, I know, but this is all these rocks on this. I'm gonna run through here in May. That guy obviously doesn't mountain bike. Get uphill either way. Furnace Trail. That's what we're on right now. It's nice how these trails all kind of interconnect, taking different ways. And you might go downhill, but then it loops and you got to go back uphill. So it's like you have a choice between an uphill and a downhill. Like I chose to go downhill a little while ago, but I just ended up looping and going back up. I'm sure if I would have taken the uphill, yeah, I would have went up, but then I would have went back down. Okay, got a ladybug like biting me. See it, can feel it feeding on my blood or something. Let it go. Stopping on an uphill, always the wisest thing to do. Feels itchy now. A little bug bite. Yeah, so my heart rate's up, still feeling the hill, but kind of in the groove, warmed up. A water break up here. Is there a map on that side?
There is on this side.
Okay.
Where'd you come from? Is the trail down that way?
Yeah, have you ever been here before?
No.
So, they're pretty well marked, but they loop around.
Okay.
They interconnect.
Okay. But
So
if I
you
head
can't-
down that way, I'll find it.
Yeah, as long as you, this is like the Furnace Trail, I think. Furnace Trail and Great Oak Trail. And you got some others. I was just going up a hill, so I'm kind of winded.
No, it's fine. I don't mean to trouble you. As long as I can find a trail, I'm okay.
Yeah, you're good. They're all like marked really well.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So we just did the Furnace Trail. We're here. Start off, this video was down through here, and then that